I'm going to talk about Medium, how I made my first $10 on Medium, and how to get more views on your Medium posts, 10 methods. So I have done the $5 one already, and I've made an article about it as well. But today I'm going to talk about how to first I'm going to show you that I have successfully surpassed the $10 mark on Medium, and then I'm going to share with you 10 methods on how to get more views on Medium. So let's get started, my friends. First of all, here are my partner programs earnings on Medium. As you can see, in July I was partnered in June, and in July my earnings started. So I made $9.30 in July, and in August till 8th of August I have made $4.21 already. So this means that I am basically on $13.51 at the moment on Medium. And now let's discuss the methods. Which methods? So I'm going to talk about these methods. First method is I will say that try to get your stories in different publications. Now guys, this is very important. Last time I discussed about being a writer in different publications, but there is a difference between being a writer and having an actual article approved in different publications. So if you see, I have been approved in Illumination, Be Unique, a Club, Live Your Life on Purpose. These are four publications I have been approved in, and also in YouTube Tutorials, which is my own publication. So what happens is different publications, if your article is approved somehow, a lot of eyeballs and will be on your article, and you can get a lot of exposure, internal traffic, because every publication has a newsletter system and email subscriber system, and they email your article to their subscribers, email subscribers, and also you might be promoted on the front page of each publication. This is the first one, my friends. The second one is quite easy. Use highlights. Now my friends, this is very important. What you are going to do is look at this, highlighted by LiquidOcelot. Now I suggest that just go over to different articles on Medium which you are reading, and the articles parts which you like the most, just highlight them. What happens is your name is displayed on the right hand side of each highlighted text part, and you are going to get free exposure, and also you are going to you can highlight something and then respond to it as well. So guys, I'm going to make a separate tutorial for that, for highlighting, so you can check that out as well. This is the second part, my friends, very important. And now let's move on to the third part. Don't just rely on Facebook groups for marketing your Medium stories. So guys, this is very important step, because you cannot ignore other social media platforms like Quora, like Reddit. I have already made an article on that, and you can check it out. Also you have to make sure you are posting regularly your Medium stories on LinkedIn, on WhatsApp groups, WhatsApp them, Facebook Messenger. Well, everything is important, because external traffic for people is extremely important, most important for me, not curation, not publication, because let's face it, thousands of articles per minute are being posted on Medium. So what's the chance of you getting curated? It's a very small chance. You gonna have to post regularly on, and also share your work, and maybe you get lucky and get your article curated or curated by Medium. So this is point number 3, my friends. Point number 4 I'm going to be focusing on is use graphics in graphics in for highlighting your articles or your other articles on Medium. This is very important, my friends, and I learned this from some people on the startup, and I'm going to show you exactly what I mean, because this is very important. Like for example, if you see my latest poem, Deep Blue, I have just know how to fight a mental breakdown. I'm going to open it and I'm going to show exactly what you need to do, because this is a formatting thing, and important formatting step, to be honest. Look at it. This graphics I'm talking about, my friends, you can go to cooltext.com and just use this, make one of these like these other interesting articles, paste it, and I'm going to make a separate tutorial video tutorial on that. So do like this and just embed your use the embedding feature, embed your 2 articles, I think are allowed in most publications. So read the rules, and just at the end you can use these graphics, and this will really boost your profile, and article will look very nice as well. So this is point number 4, my friends, and I'm going to write video, because I have to make these videos for you guys as well. And now I'm going to go to point number 5, my friends. Point number 5 is called influencer marketing. Now this is very important, my friends, and this might take you even to $100 or $1,000 mark and boost your followings to a new level. Look, my friends, don't be shy from collaborating with other Medium authors that are very famous, and also that are very successful on other platforms like YouTube, Facebook. You can just collaborate with them, just take help from them for marketing your Medium stories. This is very important step, my friends, and you need to work a lot on that, and also I need to do a lot of work on that. So this is a very important step, influencer marketing. Now point number 6, my friends, is that you need to make sure proofreading and editing, my friends. This is very important. Proofreading means that you need to read your article 2-3 times to see spelling mistakes, grammatical mistakes, and editing means that you need to add in, if you want to add in something new, or maybe you see some mistakes, you can fix them. So both are very important, because these 2 things will get you curated, my friends. Now point number 7, I'm also new in that, my friends, is called revision. It's your old articles. Look, my friends, don't let your old articles go to waste, because with time you will grow. As you can see, my friends, I am on 209 followers at the moment, and it doesn't mean that I have been following these followers. These people were kind enough to come join me, and look, with time, if you are consistent on Medium, you are going to get followers, and new people coming to your account, they might like a title and click on your stories, and if they see it outdated information, so they won't like it. Maybe the best thing is also work on your old articles as well, fix them, revise them, and just make sure that you are getting as much as exposure as possible by fixing those old articles. Point number 8 is, my friends, medium bio. This is extremely important, my friends, and thing is, these there are two bios that are standing out, my friends, and two things that people are sharing in their bios, and one thing is the email list. Look at this, I have added it, and also their LinkedIn accounts. Anything, you need to focus on this bio. This is your bio, my friends. Focus on it. Add something valuable, maybe a free ebook with landing page, good landing page. I'm also struggling with this, but build up an audience for yourself, and this will not only help you on Medium, but also help your other social media accounts as well. You can send them other content as well, other offers as well. You can add in your Patreon page. You can just get lots and lots of financial benefits and other benefits, connections, important connections, clients. You can get new clients via your LinkedIn. These are very important things, my friends. And point number 8 is very important, Medium bio, so focus on that. Point number 9, my friends, is formatting. My friends, this part is so important, and I wish somebody taught me this part before. Look, I'm going to show you a format which is very good, and I'm going to show you this format. For example, this one, I think this is one of the better formatted articles in editor on Be Unique. Help me with this. Look, title first, and then some text, usually subtitle comes over here, then the picture, then introduction. Look at this, in the inverted commas. These things are so important. The paragraphing, look, structuring and formatting, subtitle once again, and using the Medium inbuilt bullet system. Look, all of these things come in title. The breaks after the paragraphs, these are very important things, my friends. And look at this, inverted commas one as well over here, double dash after writing a subtitle. All of these things, adding pictures, all of these things comes in formatting, my friends. And look, I didn't do the graphics thing over here. I'll fix this, revise this. So this you can you must focus on this, my friends. And now finally, my last tip for you guys is appreciate your responses to your Medium articles. Responses to your Medium articles. Look, my friend, always I have seen big writers do this. They are not ignoring the people who are commenting on their Medium articles. What you do is, when somebody posts or comments on your Medium article, respond to them by saying thank you for taking your valuable time in reading my article, and also highlight them. On also, especially, you can tweet this response of yours in and on Twitter. You can tweet, highlight, and then tweet it. So this is very important, my friends. I hope you liked and enjoyed this long tutorial. Thanks for watching. Please let me know in the comment section below what you guys think. I'll be signing off. Take care.